In a quiet town where nothing extraordinary ever seemed to happen, there lived a girl named Mira. Mira didn't collect dolls or toys like other children. She collected broken things, broken watches, torn books, cracked cups, rusted keys. Everyone in town thought it was strange. "They don't work anymore," people would say. But Mira would smile and reply, "Maybe they just need someone to care." Every afternoon after school, she sat in her tiny garage workshop. She cleaned them, repaired them, restored them. To Mira, broken didn't mean useless. It meant forgotten. One day, something much bigger arrived at her door. It wasn't a toy. It wasn't a clock. It was a person. A boy who had stopped believing in himself. The world had told him he wasn't good enough. And slowly he started to believe it. But Mira didn't see a broken boy. She saw potential waiting to be restored. Just like the cracked cups and silent watches. So she sat with him. She listened. She reminded him that broken doesn't mean finished. Sometimes it just means you're being rebuilt. Because sometimes the most powerful thing you can fix is a heart.